Alright folks, here's a quick video on how I braid my garlic for fall storage. Got about 13 heads of garlic here with they're all different sizes, but they're all came out of the ground a month and a half ago or so. This is actually hardneck garlic, which a lot of people say you can't braid, but I find it works perfectly well if you cut the scapes off while it's growing, which is what you're generally supposed to do anyway. So I've just tied the first two in an overhand knot, and then from there you just keep adding heads and braiding them in. Try to keep the stems supple so they'll follow each other fine. And we're just going to keep adding heads. Now that I've run out of heads, I'm just going to keep braiding it up. And we'll finish with a piece of twine. You can see it looks reasonably good. You can twist the roots off if you feel like it. I like to finish with a constrictor knot. And then we'll tie it off in a loop so it can be hung up on a wall. Alright, thank you for watching. See you next time.